Welcome to OneTouch IoT. This is OneTouch newly introduced smart wireless digital door lock OT200 that comes along with mobile app on OneTouch IoT platform and can be integrated to video door phone system of OneTouch. Let's explore multiple access method of this lock. First is biometric. I can use the biometric. Second, I can use these type of key fobs or cards to unlock this lock. Also, I can generate a password, a combination of multiple digits. I have set a 6-digit password to unlock this unit. I need to press hash after it. Next are some interesting feature using the app. So anyone can go to this lock and press 9 hash to generate a remote unlocking request to the app user. And you can see there is a prompt of click to open remotely. Once I click on the lock and confirm it, this will get unlocked. There are two more features using this app to unlock the door. First is remote dynamic password. So I can generate a one-time OTP kind of password and can copy and send to the visitor or any of your family members. They simply need to type again 9 and hash followed by the key. Again hash, so your door get unlocked. Another feature of temporary password, so I can generate a password randomly. I can select 8 digit. I can type the visitor name and can select the effective time, so that could lie between any time you would like. I have set of almost 1 hour timeline, and once I press done, this password will sync and I can share it to someone I want to share the password with. Also, using this app, I can manage all the family members and other type of user whom I want to give access to my house. I can see all the records. So every time this door lock has been accessed, which type of access and who gave that access, I can even see and manage that in the records option. Next is it can be also unlock using these type of mechanical key. There is an option down here which I can use to unlock this lock. Apart from that, there is a USB power input in case of any power failure to unlock the digital door lock. Thank you.